In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the live server status of Canva. If Canva seems slow, won't load properly, or certain features are not working as expected, one of the quickest things you can do is check whether the issue is on Canva's side. This helps you avoid wasting time troubleshooting your own device or internet connection when the platform itself may be experiencing an outage or temporary disruption. To do this, open your web browser and go to the official Canva status page at canvastatus.com. Make sure you are using the official status page, since that is the most reliable source for real-time information directly related to Canva's services. Once the page loads, look over the current status information shown on the screen. This page is designed to display live updates about Canva's systems and whether they are operating normally. If there is an active incident, maintenance event, or service disruption, it will usually be clearly listed there along with a short description. Take a moment to read the details carefully. In many cases, the status page will show whether the problem affects the entire platform or only specific areas, such as loading designs, exporting files, accessing teams, or using certain integrations. This can help you quickly understand whether the issue you're experiencing matches a known problem. You may also see updates with timestamps. These are useful because they show when Canva first identified the issue and whether progress is being made toward a fix. If the incident is ongoing, the page may continue to refresh with new information, so it can be worth checking back after a few minutes if you don't see a resolution right away. If the status page shows that all systems are operational, that usually means Canva is not reporting any widespread server issues at that moment. In that case, the problem may be local to your browser, app, network, or account session. But if the page reports degraded performance, partial outage, or a major outage, then the issue is likely on Canva's end, and you may simply need to wait until service is restored. This is a simple but very useful habit whenever an online tool isn't working properly. Checking the live server status first can save time and give you immediate clarity about what's happening. That's how to check the live server status of Canva using the official Canva status page.